Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your all contacts from your iPhone to your Android mobile simply in 1 minute. First, need to download an application on your iPhone. The app name is My Contacts Backup, which is available in Play Store. Open the Play Store and type My Contacts Backup on the search bar. You can see the same logo app, download and install on your phone. The download is completed, open that application. When you open the application, it will ask you to provide permission to access your contact. Select OK, then it will detect and show you the total how many contacts are there in your iPhone. Then just click on the backup option on the screen. Then it will start backing up all your contacts in a few seconds. Once the backup is completed here, you can see the email option. Select email. Then it will open an email application to send the backed up file to another email. Enter the email that is used on your Android mobile and send it. Now go to the Android mobile and open that email. Inbox. You can see the mail that we have sent from the iPhone with contacts backup attachment. Open that email, click on the attachments. It will ask you to open with available options. Select Open with Connect. Then we'll ask you to import one car file. Click OK. Now see the contacts are started saving in your Android phone. To confirm this, go to the contacts and see the number of contacts is increasing. If any duplicate contacts are found, then please merge it. That's it, guys. Now you can see the total number of contacts. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe and support our channel.